Now, we're going to tell you the good and bad about the price action on ARK Innovation ETF, ARKK. ARK is Kathy Wood's like flagship baby disruptive innovation ETF. And this thing really is just a basket of high growth names that tend to move with AI, software, autonomy, and things like that, crypto, sentiment for that matter. So there are some couple positive things that I wanted to show you guys, mainly being these harmonic patterns, but we've also got some date and times that I pulled from chartforecaster.com, which predicts dates and times 9 days out in advance on market movements. And so you guys can see how lethal chartforecaster.com is. It predicted that down to the bottom of this candle here, this was going to be a market peak momentum area, which it was. And then it predicted this really nice reversal down to the hour, down to the minute. Again, momentum starts building bullish or bearish. Bearish momentum started building, which led into the volatility spike and breakout that the software called 9 days in advance. Again, price was moving down. It said, don't worry, peak momentum area, price reversed. Caught this nasty market low high reversal here. Again, market momentum starts building this little area here. Volatility. But now we've got the peak momentum area, which is an area that I wanted to highlight. So we've got both of these harmonic patterns, which maybe we'll just stretch out to this date here. This could be the date where we see this momentum of this downslide of stock, the price action drop off. This could be that point in time. And really, we're almost seeing a little bit of a potential squeeze here as well. It's definitely a little shallower between the trend lines here than it is up here. So keep that in mind. And you could also argue that if this scam wick wasn't here, maybe we would see the falling wedge, something like this. But we are getting this signal now from Chart Forecaster. That's going to be a peak momentum area. This could be the catalyst that move price up to $80 or $81 for that matter. So with that said, there is also going to be a reversal zone or a reversal area. February market first. Markets are going to be closed Sunday, so we got to look for the reversal to happen. Friday's close at the bell or Monday's open. So we'll just stack this trend line on Monday's open, and really at the end of the day, this could be a very nice reversal area. So who knows? Maybe we'll see the price kind of wander like this or something like this, and then reverse to the upside, maybe into this area that I have highlighted up here. That goes all the way up to the $81-ish level. Further out, February 5th, we have what is on the charts a momentum building area or a point in time. This is when bullish or bearish momentum will start basically building. So it could be that we see price maybe move up into this area here and then start to reverse, whether it's down here or up here, start its downward reversal. Because I'm thinking that there's going to be a reversal to the downside, simply because we've got a very nasty harmonic pattern that has developed. And really, at the end of the day, you guys can kind of see it here. And if this thing does execute, I'm expecting price to maybe move back down to around this $72-ish level. So, I mean, we're looking at about 8%-ish from the levels we're seeing right now. Not that big of a deal for ARK because this thing's up and down like a flagpole. And if we do get that bounce down to this area, maybe even the $71-ish region, we might be able to make the argument for potentially a double bottom situation and maybe come back up and revisit some of these highs. But interesting note here, I'm just going to go ahead and clear the screen, is that there could also be, going back to the bullish sentiment on ARK, if that pattern doesn't play out, I'm seeing what looks like to be somewhat of an ascending triangle here. We haven't quite seen these lows go lower than the previous lows. So if it does, I'll be a little shaken out by that. But at this point in time, we're seeing these lows continually get higher, and the highs kind of fight off this resistance level. So it's also something to note for that matter. ARK is a crazy, crazy stock, but I am thinking that we will see that little surge at least up to those previous levels that I had mentioned before, simply due to the two baby harmonics that I did see right in here. So again, check out chartforecaster.com. It's $9.99 a month. It really does some work when it comes to predicting volatility in the markets. And check out chartforecaster.com on YouTube. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.